And that is how I got 1,000 views in my first 2 days of uploading my latest video with only 2,600 subscribers, which is a really good view to subscriber ratio. And you can see my videos within this time generally usually get only 430 to 600 views. And this is not because it luckily went viral or because it had a better title or better tags. It's like the normal usual video that I create, but I did this on purpose with a tool that I recently purchased that can get you 100% more organic views, like my latest video just got, and I just showed you the proof. And this tool will allow you or your channel to reach an audience that is about 70% bigger than your current audience. And I'm going to explain why and how this tool does that just in a bit. But first, I'm going to show you what this tool does and also how you can get it. And I also reach the monetization requirements much faster with this tool, and I'm going to show you how you can replicate this as well. And the best part about this tool, whether you're a YouTuber, you're a video marketer, you market content, Amazon products, reviews, tech reviews, whatever it may be, you can use this to grow your business, traffic, and generate more sales with this tool. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on so you can get awesome videos on how to make money online and also how to grow your business online. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. So as you saw on my intro, you can see right here that my second top video only got 695 views in the first 2 days of upload. This one got 1,000 views. And the reason this has done so well is because this tool has allowed me to rank in search terms in other countries with different languages, such as Germany, Japan, Korea, Russia, Vietnam, all the different places that don't really work on YouTube in English, because a lot of people are making their videos in English, but they are missing out on a huge audience, a foreign audience, such as foreign language speaking countries that are on YouTube, but because your videos are in English, you are not popping up in their search words. So that is where this tool, lingoblaster.com, can give you access to this entire audience, this foreign audience that I think 70% or most channels are missing out 70% of an audience to, and 70% to 100% growth. And I think a lot of people are, as I say, missing out on a ton of traffic and possible revenue on your channel. So you can see right here, lingoblaster.com is the software that I want to share with you guys today. As you can see, you are ignoring 75% of your potential clients, and 20 years of SEO experience taught us this. So literally, I'm going to show you the back end of this platform or this website or this Lingo Blaster tool in a bit. I've downloaded this myself, so I'm going to show you how it works. You can see if you come to lingoblaster.com, they've got a little video for you. A guy explains what this tool does and how it works. And all this tool does is, you can see here, you can triple your CTR and traffic overnight. You don't need any experience. It's literally 3 clicks of a button and it's done. It's actually super easy. And I'm going to take you through a live example. You can increase your video exposure by over 75%. In my case, I got 94% more, and you can rank in over 100 foreign languages. So you can think English is 1 out of 100 different languages. And if your video is only in English, you are missing out on hundreds of other languages and other search terms that your video could be in for traffic in foreign countries. And you can drive 100% free and organic video traffic. And you can see on this website they've got testimonials as well. I'm drop shipping products and I was only taught English. With Lingo Blaster, I expanded my audience worldwide, and he got 9 orders from worldwide traffic. As a new business, 9 orders is a lot. You can see it 20 days ago, I translated all my training videos. I'm very impressed. I have an extra 7.4K foreign traffic. So you can see how this program actually works. And you can see this program is a paid program. It costs usually $97, but it is currently only $37. I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description for you guys. I don't earn a commission off this. I'm just doing this because I believe this is one of the best $37 investments you can make if you are a content creator. You can pay via PayPal. It's only $37. And once you've purchased the program, you can log into your backend called app.blasteronline. /Lingo Blaster. You can see the link here. You can link your YouTube channel to this backend or your app, and you can see you can translate your videos, you can rankerize your videos, and the one I'm going to focus on is translate. Then I'll take you through how the rankerizer works. So with Lingo Blaster Translate videos, they are always they've got a ton of training videos for you on the site as well, and you can see here Alright, one of my videos, this one here for example, earn $126.94. I've translated this video. You can see if I come to the, my transcriptions on my studio dashboard, I translated it to 30 different languages. So now I've accessed 29 other languages, which could be tens, hundreds to 1,000 different search terms in various different other languages, and that is why this video is doing so well. And you can see I've translated it to Afrikaans, Albanian, Amharic, Arabic, Dutch, Filipino, French, German, Hindi, Portuguese, all these various different languages that this video is now popping up in their search term in their language. So what you can do is you can see once you connect your YouTube account, if you go to YouTube account, there is a button, add YouTube account, and you literally log in with your Google account details and it will pop up over here. Once that's done, you can come over to the Translate Videos tab, and I'm going to come down. You can see they're always giving you training videos, which is really handy. And I'm going to skip that for now, and I'm going to go choose a video that I haven't translated yet. So I'm going to head over to my next page quickly. Here, you can see I've got a couple that aren't translated. So let's take this one here for example. This video earned $10 paper money in 10 minutes for testing websites. Has currently got 1.4k views, so it's doing pretty well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the no button and I'm going to drag it over to yes, that it's now selected, and you can see here earn $10 paper money has been selected. I'm then going to click on the next step. They can show you another training video, but I'm going to skip that. And here you can add, you've got access to a total of 98 languages. And what you can do is to really strategize as well. You can come over to YouTube or Google, sorry, and you can type in top countries on YouTube, because with Lingo Blaster you can only add 10 languages at a time. So I'm going to head over to a chart that shows me the top countries that are on YouTube, because you want to find their languages, because you want to translate your video into their languages to access that popular audience as well. So you can see here, okay, United States, United Kingdom is English, Russia, Japan. So let's come back to Lingo Blaster and let's type in Russia. There we go. We're going to translate it to Russian and Japan as well, Japanese. We're going to come back here and let's have a look what else there is. Okay, there's Brazil. I know the Brazilians speak Portuguese, so I'm going to look for Portuguese. Let's choose, we got Russia, Japan, India. We can choose, what is it? Punjabi. And they've got another one as well, Hindi. The two English or Indian languages that are mostly spoken. United Kingdom's English, German, which is Dutch. So I'm going to go Dutch, Netherlands, and also German, Dutch. And then I've got France, so I'm going to go French as well. There we go, let's add French. Mexico, which is Spanish, so let's go Spanish as well. I've got enough for 2 more. You can see I've got total 9 languages. I've got 1 language left to choose, and Turkey, so let's look for Turkey. There we go, Turkish. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see if I try and add another one, it's not going to let me, because you can only have 10 languages at a time. Once you're done, you've got your 10 languages selected, you can click on next step, another training video, you can click continue, and what you can do is you can also select any other text that you don't want to translate. So for example, names or links, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I just suggest leaving it as is, to be honest. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on next. It's got another training video for you. I'm going to click continue, and now this is where the magic happens. It's literally going to translate everything for you. Spanish, you can see Spanish is already done. All my text, my captions, my titles, my tags have been translated to Spanish. Same with German, it's all now in German. Same with French, Portuguese, Hindi is done as well. Afrikaans, which is a South African language. A Dutch. I choose Afrikaans because since my channel is based in South Africa, I like to target my local country's languages as well. Japanese, you can see all the fancy Japanese writing. Dutch, Punjabi, and Russian. Once that's done, okay, we're just waiting for Russian. You can see that's now done. And I'm going to click on publish. And literally by the click of those 3 buttons, my video has been translated to 10 different languages. Now this video is going to pop up in search terms in Germany, Spain, France, Brazil, Portugal, Hindi, India, Afrikaans, South Africa, Japan, Dutch, Russia. So you can sort of get an idea of how this tool can really get you a ton of views by getting access to this foreign audience, which I think so many YouTubers are missing out on. And I've seen that on my latest video. Like, I've never had a video hit 1K views within the first 2 days of upload so quickly. Like, that is crazy. Like, my second, as you saw, my second video is only at 695 and we added 1K on this one already. And I'm very keen to see where my channel goes within the next month using this tool. I really think my channel and your channel too, I really think it can get a huge boost in the algorithm using this tool. And this tool also offers what you call a rankerizer. So this rankerizer tool basically adds terms, keywords, little descriptions or titles or bits of text in the various different languages to your video's description, tags, maybe the title, and it will help rank your video in the foreign search terms, driving it even more views. So for example, I'm going to choose, let's choose this one here, earn $73 automatically now with ClickBank. I'm going to select that. I'm going to click on next step. You can watch the training video if you like. So since I've got Albanian, Amharic, Arabic, Dutch, Spanish, German, Portuguese, all the languages on this video already, I'm going to click on Rankerize, and you'll see it will pop up with a pop-up. Rankerizing can affect rankings in original language as well. I'm going to click on yes. You can see okay, mine can't rankerize because my description is way too long. So if you get this area, just remove some unnecessary text from your description and it'll work. But once it's done, it will add some extra text to your description, your titles, and it will rank it higher in the algorithm in the various different languages, helping you find and discover a massive audience that you probably knew or didn't even know was possible to reach. And the best part about Lingo Blaster, they actually have more than one program that will help you get a ton of views and subscribers and traffic to your channel. They've actually got another program called Video Marketing Blaster, which is a program where you enter a specific keyword, for example, how to make money online. What it will do is it will scrape a whole bunch of tags, titles, descriptions from the most popular videos on Google and YouTube, and it will build one, I've actually got the program right here, one beautiful title, description, and tags that you need to copy and paste into your video that will make it rank hopefully on the top page of Google and YouTube. It's not guaranteed to rank every term, but it will definitely rank your videos on most terms on the top page of Google and YouTube, driving a ton of traffic for you. So this is how this program works. Is I'm going to give this program to you. So if you want this program, make sure to subscribe down below, leave the notifications on, leave a like on the video, comment that you've subscribed, and I will reply to you with the link to get this access to this exclusive program for completely free. You can completely skip the checkout and you can get this for free. You can see this program also currently costs, you can see here, $47. You're going to get it for free, which is great. So how it works is I'll take you through a quick tutorial. You're going to enter your main keyword on the keywords tab. You've got 5 tabs here. Make sure you click on keywords and let's type in, for example, Lingo Blaster. We want to rank #1 for Lingo Blaster. So you want to type in the main keyword Lingo Blaster. Make sure you've got also research from search suggestions checked. You can leave the others unchecked, they're not important. Click on research keyword, and what it's going to do is it's going to gather a whole bunch of competitors, information from Google, the most popular terms and titles and tags and keywords related to Lingo Blaster, titles that you can use to then copy and paste onto a YouTube video that will help it rank very high in the algorithm, automatically generating you a ton of views. So you can see right here, Lingo Blaster, other keywords related to this, Lingo Blaster review, Lingo Blaster bonus, Lingo Blaster demo, review and bonuses. So I'm going to use this one here, for example, Lingo Blaster review. I'm going to check that. I'm going to click on copy to clipboard. I'm going to then come over to video details, and you want to click on the from competitor tab. Now what this is going to do is it's going to generate a beautiful already made title and description for you and tags as well from top videos that already have ranked on the first page with this title or keyword, and then you can copy this title and description, paste it in your video, and you will rank as well. So I'm going to paste this term Lingo Blaster review in the main keyword on this pop-up. Make sure you've got target related videos also, generated sentences by scraping from Google, research keywords, and find competitors is checked. Click on start generating and you will see in a bit, there we go. It's now going to pop up with a already made title, description, and tags that you can copy and paste into your video when you upload it, and you are bound to rank on the top page for the term Lingo Blaster review. So this is ideal for people that want to do tech reviews, that want to do technology reviews, anything that you can think of, any sort of videos, Fortnite videos, helping you rank in the YouTube algorithm. So these are 2 programs that could really make the difference to your YouTube channel. This one you can already get for free. I've told you how to do it. Make sure to subscribe down below, notifications on, comment down below that you've done so, and I will reply with the link. Then with Lingo Blaster, unfortunately, I cannot give this one away as it's an online based program. There's no download, there's no offline file. It's all online cloud based. So you're gonna have to purchase it off the Lingo Blaster website for $7, $37 is probably the best investment that you can make for your channel right now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the value, you can see right here, this program is really working for me. I'm going to refresh to show you that this is my studio dashboard. I want you to comment down below what you think of this program. If anybody's used this before, I'd love to hear what you have to say, if you've had any results with this, and if it's worked for you. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on. I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video, a very helpful and valuable video just like this one that will help you build your channel, grow your views, subscribers, and make money online and build an online business, and to receive videos like that on a daily basis. So make sure to leave a comment down below what you think of this as well. Also leave a like if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate all of the support. Every single one of you subscribed. I appreciate your support so much. I wish I could just give all of you one big hug. It really means a lot to me. But if you guys are ready for tomorrow's video, make sure you're ready for that one, and I can send you a message as soon as I upload it. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.